Hello, I'm glad you're here. In this video, we're going to consider the following equation. 9 multiplied by t minus 7 equals 2t. And we're going to figure out what the solution is to that equation. Well, first we're going to multiply 9 times t by using the distributive property, where we multiply 9 by everything that's inside the parentheses. 9 times a minus 7 gives us a minus 63, or a negative 63. And then, of course, we want our t's, which are our variables, to be together on one side of the equal sign. So I'm going to take away 9t from both sides, and I'm going to end up with a negative 63 equals a negative 7t. Then I need to divide both sides by that negative 7 because I want the t alone, because I'm trying to establish what t's value actually is. And I'm going to get 9 equals t, or t equals 9. So the solution to this equation is 9. And if you'd like me to prove that to you, if I say 9 times 9 minus 7 equals 2 times 9, I'd have 9 times 2 equals 2 times 9, which would be 18, equals 18. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.